Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my ma'am and my friends. How are you today? Hopefully it will always be healthy, and also don't forget to always take care of your health. Here I have permission to submit my work, namely a review of chemistry journal about effect of the electric constant on the solvation of sodium citrate. My name is Romatul Hakiki, NPM 10. I am from class B. Okay, point 1 title. The title is effect of the electric constant on the solvation of sodium citrate. Point 2 authors. Authors is G. Iswaran Bhatta and Im Manjutab. Point 3 year 2022. Okay. Point 4 journal of name. Journal of name is a Department of Chemistry, Mangalore University, Mangalagangu 3 5 7 4 1 9 BCGC Institute of Technology, Cilik Balapur 562 101 India. Okay, point 5 keywords. Keywords is the electric constant, solvation, limiting molar conductance, and sodium citrate. Okay, point 6 publishing. The publishing in GChem Resfall 3 issue 2 2022 6 until 14. Okay. Abstract. The paper reports on the solvation of sodium citrate in water plus CH3 lambda 0 until m Cn and water plus GmSO mixture V divided V under frying the electric constant at different temperature. The specific conductance data obtained was analyzed by Krauss-Bray and Shklovsky conductivity models. Limiting molar conductance, dissociation constant, association constant Kc/Ka, lambda 0 until m were evaluated for all the solvent composition. The limiting molar conductance decreases with the increase in amount of solvent in water due to increased solvent-solvent interaction and decrease in the electric constant. Due to heat, viscosity, and molecular size of DMSO in water, lower conductance was observed in water plus DMSO media. The Ka value increase with the increase in amount of solvent in water at all the temperatures studied. Energy of activation of the rate process and related thermodynamic parameters such as delta Ha, delta Ga, and delta Sa have been evaluated. Delta Ga is found to be negative, indicating spontaneity of the process. Walden product lambda 0 im 0 and corrected Stokes radius Re have also been evaluated. Foss-Assassina equation was used to identify the ion pairs and ion triples in the system, but the slope of the plot were found to be less than minus 0.5, indicating the absence of ion pairs or ion triples. Born relation of solvation was verified. These data have been used to study the nature of ion-solvent interaction and solvent-solvent interaction existing in the system. Okay, next, introduction. Conductance measurement is an important and simple tool to get information in regard to ion solvation 1 until 3. The study of conductance of an electrolyte system with different solvent of varying viscosity and the electric constant provide satisfactory information regarding ion solvation. In recent years, there has been an increasing interest in the study of behavior of electrolyte in partial and non-aqueous solvent, with a view of investigating the role of partial or non-aqueous solvent in the solution of an ion. 3 sodium citrate, 3 sodium, 2 hydroxypropane, 1, 2, 3, 3 carboxylate is a sodium salt of citric acid. Okay, next methodology. Sodium citrate loba chemi India was used without further purification. Melting point 2 980 G. Observed value 3 000 G. Literature value triply distilled water. Spective conductivity of the order of 1 multiplied 10 minus 7 is centimeter min 1 was used throughout the study. The solvent acetonitril and the methyl suboxide were purified as supported 14 specific conductivity of the order of 2.0 until 3.0 multiplied 9 10 min 7 is centimeter min 1. The solution of sodium citrate in water and water plus C(H3CN) the M is where people ask and when required. Conductivity measurements were carried out using a digital direct reading conductivity meter model CM 180 Helicomag and a deep type calibrate conductivity call constant 0.975 centimeter min 1. All the measurements were made in a thermostat magnetic at the desired temperature plus minus 0.010 C. The instrument was standardized as the Scriber Airline. Okay, next result and discussion. The solution of sodium citrate in various composition of water plus CH3CN and water plus DM is of V divided V were subject to conductivity measurement at 4 different temperatures 183, 193, 303 and 313 plus minus 0.01 K. The specific conductance so obtained was used in the determination of molar conductance. The conductance data was initially subject to analysis by Gauss-Brahe equation 17. Since the Gaussian electrolyte is of 3/1 type, the Gauss-Brahe equation related to that condition was tried, but the plot lambda MC 3 versus 1 divided lambda m was found to be non-linear. Fignoson and Gauss-Brahe equation of 2/1 electrolyte was tried, and the plot lambda MC 2 versus 1 divided lambda m was found to be non-linear. Fignoson. Hence, the Gauss-Brahe equation related to 1/1 electrolyte was applied, and the equation may be represented where lambda 0 until m is the limiting molar conductance, C is the concentration, Ka is the association constant, is the on-square slope, and F plus minus the mean activity coefficient of the electrolyte. From the intercept and slope of the linear plot 1 divided is lambda m versus C. Lambda m is F plus minus 2 Fig 2 as a representative plot. The limiting molar conductance and association constant Ka were obtained and are presented respectively in table 1 and 2. This is the table of number 1 and number 2. Okay, from the table 1 it is clear and the temperatures and hence the conductivity value for a composition of water plus CH3CN and water plus DMSO. This is expected due to the fact that the increase in temperature increases the thermal energy and mobility of ions leading to increase in conductivity. The value of dissociation constant Kc calculated from the Kirchhoff plot and association constant Ka obtained from the Shklovsky plot are shown in table 2. Kc increases with increase in temperature in both the case of solvent mixture. Okay, conclusion. The limiting molar conductance lambda 0 until m varies with the solvent as well as with temperature as expected. Lower conductance value was observed in the water plus DMSO compared to water plus CH3CN mixture at all studied temperatures. This is due to structure forming nature of DMSO and structure breaking nature of acetonitrile. It is further proved by viscosity and molecular size of these two solvents. The viscosity and molecular size of DMSO is high compared to CH3CN and hence lower conductance was observed in the case DMSO medium. Okay, that was my journal review. I will end. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.